Welcome back, students. So in this session we study about logical instructions of 8085. Fine. So the logical instructions of 8085 are here. So these instructions perform logical operations on the data which is stored in a register or memory or in status flags. I mean to say flag registers. So the logical operations are performed on the registers, means the data stored in the registers and the data stored in the memory location and in flag registers. So what all the logical operations can be done in 8085? The logical operations can be done in 8085 are AND operation, OR operation, XOR, rotate, compare and complement. The first three we know already, because in first semester, second semester and third semester we all have studied AND, OR, XOR. So let us have a small revision. What is AND gate? When any one of the input is low, the output is low. When the both output is high, the output is high. Whereas in OR gate, if any one of the input is high, output is high. XOR gate, that is, if the input is 0 and 1, the output is high, or 1 and 0, output is high. If the both the outputs are same, that is 1 1 or 0 0, the output will be low, like that. Fine. Whereas rotate, compare and complement, we will see this in the coming session. So first of all we will see what is AND gate. So AND, OR, XOR, these three things. So how it is done. Fine. So AND gate, any 8-bit data or the contents of register, memory location, logically have AND operation, XOR operation and OR operation. All the three operations can be done on contents of register or memory location on or any 8-bit data. Fine. So with the contents of accumulator, so what happened here, the contents of accumulator and 8-bit data, or the contents of accumulator or register, or the contents of accumulator and memory location can be ANDed, or we can do AND operations, or we can do OR operation, and also we can do XOR operations. So these three operations has to be done with respect to accumulator only. Fine. We cannot, for example, B and C, we cannot find the OR of AND of B and C. So one data has to be there in accumulator. So logical operation has to be done with respect to accumulator. Fine. The result is stored in accumulator only. So as we are doing AND or XOR operation with respect to accumulator, the answer will be stored back in accumulator only. Fine. Then comes different types of AND operations. Right. So what are the different types of AND operations are? We can find it in 8085. Fine. So in 8085 it has, we can do different AND operations, that is ANA, that is logically AND with accumulator. Right. Here, so as I have said, there are two types of AND logical instructions. So first one is ANA, that is logical AND with accumulator. So the contents of a register, that is register, or the contents of memory location are ANDed with the contents of accumulator. So let us see how this instruction works. So it is 1-byte instruction. The contents of accumulators are logically ANDed with the contents of operand, that is register or memory, and the result is placed back in accumulator as I have said. Sign flag, zero flag, parity flag are modified. Sign flag, zero flag, parity flag are modified to reflect the result of the operation. Carry flag is a reset, and also auxiliary carry flag is set. So it is here ANR, R, that is a register, ANA, M, that is memory location. So we can do AND ANA A, that is accumulator contents are ANDed with accumulator, ANA B, ANA C, ANA D, ANA E, ANA H, ANA L. Here it is the register contents plus accumulator contents are ANDed and stored back in accumulator. So let us take an example, that is MVI D, 54, MVI A, 82. So 82 and 54 are ANDed. Here it is 54 and 82 are ANDed. So if any one of the output is low, output is low. Both the inputs are high, output is high. So the total result is 0 only. Automatically 0 flag will be set, parity flag will be set. So the next instruction, that is ANI, that is AND immediate with accumulator. So accumulator contents on the given 8-bit data is ANDed immediately. That's why it is I means 2 bytes instruction. So it is a 2 byte instruction. The contents of the accumulator are logically ANDed with 8-bit data and the result is placed in accumulator. Flags like sign flag, zero flag, parity flags are modified to reflect the results of the operation. Carry flag and auxiliary carry flag is set. So let us take an example here, ANI 97H, that is ANI XX. This is an example. So an example MVI A, 97H and ANI 0F. So accumulator contents is 97F. Then we need to immediately add the contents of accumulator with 0F data. This is 97 and this is 0F. So as I have said, both the inputs are high, output is high. Then automatically the result is 0, 7, which is placed back in accumulator. Fine. In further session we will discuss with some more logical operations. So in the next part we will discuss it.